have to make those banana muffins. They are so good, and I love when a banana muffin really has a lot of flavor, because I've tried some homemade banana nut muffins that sometimes just don't really have that much flavor, or they're kind of banana-y, but I wanted to make a recipe that is like bakery style, delicious banana bread flavor, but much quicker and easier than making banana bread, because banana bread has to cook for quite a long time. So today's a recipe testing day. We actually have another fun recipe that I'm going to be practicing later tonight, and that's going to be our dinner. It is for unstuffed peppers, so like everything that goes into stuffed peppers. And you guys, I am so excited about this recipe. I just want to make sure I get it right, so I'm going to practice it, and we'll have that for dinner. So I'll show you how I make that. But before dinner, we've got a work day. Today my plan is I'm going to film a reel for Instagram. I'm also going to be working on the blog. I've got some updates, and I actually have some colors that I want to show you guys and get your feedback on. So that will be later today, but right now I'm going to go ahead and set up for the reel, get started on that, and I will see you afterwards. So it's a little while later. I set up for the reel, I filmed it, and I'll put a little preview of it right here so you can check it out. This is a recipe that I filmed for my pinwheels recipe, which you may have seen in last week's video. That recipe is up on my blog, and I just wanted there to be an Instagram or TikTok video for that recipe as well. So I went ahead and filmed that. And whenever I film a reel, I try to do it like around meal time so that that can be my lunch, and I don't have to make myself like an extra lunch or dinner. It's already prepped. So that's going to be lunch today, but I'm going to bulk it up a little bit with some cucumbers, and I'm going to do lemon, salt, and pepper on. And then we also have this vegan white cheddar popcorn that I've never tried before, but it's a brand that I know that I like, and we actually got it on accident because I placed an order, a grocery order, for the Skinny Pop microwave popcorn. But I actually like the sea salt flavor better than the microwave butter flavor. I think it's saltier. So that's usually my go-to, but they didn't have it, and so they substituted this white cheddar popcorn, but it's still vegan, so I'm excited to try that. And I think having something kind of nice and salty and crunchy to go with this lunch is going to be perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy that, and I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, we are in my office right now, and I'm about to sit down and get some work done. I've got emails, I've got a little bit of video editing, and then most excitingly, I'm gonna be meeting with my web developer today. I talked a little bit about how I'm updating the blog in my last video, and my blog is really where my recipes live, but it doesn't really seem right now, I don't think, that it has a lot of recipes on it. I think when people go there, you know, it's sort of a simple blog, and I've put a lot of work into it. I am really proud of it, but I love making recipes so much, as you guys can tell, and I want the website to reflect how incredible I think these recipes are, and just to look very professional and also just be more user-friendly. So I've invested, honestly, it was a big investment and a scary investment, but something that I think is going to be so worth it, because it's really going to improve the user experience. It's going to be so much easier to find recipes. And I actually sent them kind of two very preliminary mood boards that I'll put up on the screen here. This is not exact or anything, and these won't be the exact colors either, but just to kind of give them an idea of what I personally like. I love kind of an organic, natural, cozy feel, and I want my blog to reflect the coziness that I try to achieve in these YouTube videos. So let me know which one you guys like the best. This one's obviously more cool tones, and this one is more warm. I will admit I'm leaning more towards warm because terracotta and orange and like warm cozy tones like that really are my favorite colors, and I think they're gonna look really nice with the food photography as well. But I really like this cool tone palette too. I think it's very serene and relaxing, so I would love to know what you guys think, so comment down below. But before you scroll and comment and do all those things, stay with me, because we are gonna make dinner tonight, and it is one of my favorite recipes that I've been testing recently, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Today I'm gonna be practicing it, so that's gonna be dinner, and this is a unstuffed pepper recipe. So basically all of the flavor and all of the goodness of stuffed peppers, but in a 30-minute meal that is packed with veggies, really high protein. And I'm not going to do it one pot tonight, but by the time I'm done with this recipe and it's perfect, I do think it should be able to be a one pot recipe as well. That's what I'm really striving for. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm in love with this recipe, absolutely in love with this recipe, and I'm excited to make it for dinner tonight. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So sleepy now, but I had to come on here and tell you that dinner was spectacular. I kind of mixed it up a little bit because the cheese wasn't melting. I feel like some brands of vegan cheese melt better than others, but this one still tastes good, and I just kind of mixed it together so it would get warmer and melt a little bit better. So it wasn't the prettiest presentation, but the flavor was on point and super delicious, and we have leftovers for tomorrow too, so that will probably be our lunch. I love when that happens because it's just nice to have a lunch that you're really looking forward to, and whenever you cook and then have leftovers, it just makes things so easy. So really excited about that. All the recipes I mentioned are going to be in the description box below, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because that really helps out my channel. Share this video with a friend who might also find it helpful, and I will see you guys in a video very soon. Bye.